Number line. In this lesson, we will learn how to plot numbers on a number line. And here's a short video of plotting with a number line.
Okay, we're going to be using a number line, and of course this source is from mathwhiteboard.com. It's a great source for practicing graphs and using number lines. So here's my number line right there, and I'm going to insert some points. And let's say x is equal to -5, x equal to 1, and x is equal to 7, and x equal to -9. Okay, and we will go ahead and show what it looks like here with x equals to -5. Put it right here in this number line, and you see that the circled in dot is right at the -5, and x equals to 1. Put it right here on the number line, and this where it is 1 is a circled in dot. X equals 7. Put it right here, and you can see that where the 7 is, it's a dot, filled in dot, and x equals -9. Plot it, and you can see that it is -9 is filled in dot. Okay, we're going to be using a number.
Alright, now, what are the dots equal to? So what is A equal to? So A looks like it's at x equals to -3. How about B? B is looks like it's at x equals to 1. Letter C. Let's see what's letter C. Looks like it's plotted at x equals to 3. And D looks like D is plotted at x equals to 6. Thanks for watching this video. And please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.